Welcome back, guys. Today we are making a vintage Christmas cake for my mom's birthday. I know it's not perfect, but this is literally my first 3-layer cake and with this style and everything. So don't make fun. I tried really hard. So these were my inspo cakes. Of course, they're like all perfect and it looks like it's photoshopped, but I thought they were so cute. And I didn't want to do like a plain old boring one. So I saw the vintage ones. I really liked them. And I saw this one with cherries on top. And I thought, yeah, that's totes vintage. So that was my first inspo pick. And then I saw this one. I thought this was really cute too. But that had a lot more detail. So I toned it down a bit. So I made a vanilla and chocolate marble, and I just added a little bit of pudding to the mix. They're just box cakes, but they came out really good. I added a little bit of pudding just to thicken it up. That way the cake is more sturdy and able to maintain its shape. And then once they were out of the oven, I froze them. That way it was easier to shape them down. And I made a buttercream. I wasn't really a fan of this buttercream. This is just your normal butter cream with powdered sugar, and it was kind of grainy and not very smooth. So I'm gonna have to try a different type of buttercream next time. But I mean, it had a good flavor. And it was a little tough to work with. It was cold in the house, so I'm thinking that's why. But I just tinted it with a little bit of green just to give it that vintage color. I know it reminds everyone of like mint chocolate chip or like pistachio, but I just thought it was a cute color. Okay, now to start piping, I have the star tip, and I tinted the rest of the green a little bit darker, more Christmassy, and I measured evenly where I was going to put the rosettes and the stars, and then I added more piping to the top of the rosettes for the cherries. And this is my first time using the ribbon tip. This was really fun. I actually enjoyed this whole process. You see how it's kind of like grainy? I don't know, it doesn't look smooth, but again, it was my first time, so I did my best. And of course, you gotta have the happy birthday. I don't know how to write very well with icing, so I cheated with the little happy birthday sign. So now I'm adding like Christmas sprinkles. I thought they were so cute, and it really gave it a lot of dimension and more eye-catching moment. Oh, and I put it in the fridge for a little bit just so the buttercream got a little bit hard, and it totally worked. Totally works. I know it's not perfect, but like I said, it's my first vintage cake. I just watched a lot of reels and videos. I do have experience with the number and letter cakes, so that kind of helped me as well. But honestly, guys, if y'all are like wanting to start cakes, just start. Like, don't give it too much thought. Just like practice. Find any reason to bake a cake and ice it. And use the piping tips. They're so easy. So easy to use. Now these are like some chrome sprinkles I found on Amazon, and these roll off very easily, so I have to place them by hand. But they add so much sparkle and they make it look elegant, I thought. I used these for a previous cake and I had a bunch left over. It was like $7.99 for the bottle, which isn't bad because you don't need that many. They're very cute. So I added these sprinkle rod looking things, and then I added some round balls, and look, they fell. I had to place them by hand. Those they all came in the same pack. It was the long ones, the round ones, big and little, and then they had some stars as well, so I added some stars too. And they sell gold ones too. Amazon has everything, honestly. Hobby Lobby's starting to carry more cake stuff, but I just find it easier to just do Amazon for specific things like that. I do enjoy going to Hobby Lobby, but then I spend too much money. The struggle's real, guys. Now, my mom absolutely loved this cake, and everyone who saw it thought it was just so precious. And I gave it my all. I thought it came out really good. I do need practice icing the sides because I see a little bit of cake on the side, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect the first time. I forgot to mention I added the sugar crystals on top just to make it look a little snowy. And look at that. It's so cute. And now the cherries. These gave it so much character. This really brought out the vintage vibes, was the cherries for sure. So these are the ones that come in the jar in the red syrup, and I put them in a strainer, I rinsed them, and I dried them really well. That way none of the liquid seeped onto the cake. And it came out so perfect. I loved it. A little bit of juice got on there, so I just dabbed it with a paper towel. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Get my videos out into the algorithm. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Hope you all liked this content. I have plenty more DIY and in the kitchen videos. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.